glue gels, and then some of little of the no wipe top coat, and then the little precision glue gels. And that way you can hold all of your bows, your crystal, your charm, and your chains in one place. And this one I am going to just use just a little bit. And if you have your omega gels on your hand, you can definitely use that as well. And also if you are having yours extra thick condensed glue gels, you can absolutely use that as well. Okay, I'm gonna use that on this side. And then using a no wipe top coat. Floating right on the top. And now we're gonna pick the bow. Okay. And place it right. Oh my god, this is so adorable. Adjusting a little bit. You happy with this? Well, I'll go ahead and key for 60 seconds.